how to enable HVIC, or also known as Hypervisor Protected Code Integrity for Valorant. So in order to do that, first open the Windows Security. So click on the Windows Start menu and search for Windows Security, and then select it from the search results. Then navigate to Core Isolation. So in Windows Security, click on Device Security. Under Core Isolation, click on Core Isolation Details, and then enable the Memory Integrity. So locate the memory integrity and toggle the switch to the on position, and then you will be prompted to restart your computer. And lastly, you want to restart your computer. So after restarting, Valorant should launch without the HVCI restriction error. And for troubleshooting, make sure that the drivers issues are all outdated, and make sure that you have no problem with your drivers, and uninstall and update your drivers if you have some issues, and make sure that your registry are all advanced, and check if you have enabled the HVACI through the registry editor, and then check your system information if you have the right specs needed for this to do. And that's how you can basically enable the HVIC for Valorant.